making the little top hat thing. And so what it wants to tell me is that there's 5 colors in the design, and this is the order it's going to do them. I'll try to get as close to those colors as I can, given what I have. I have put the stabilizer on the back of my fabric, and I'm going to be putting it in this hoop here shortly. I'm using this stuff called Sulky self-adhesive stabilizer. It comes on a little roll. It's like 25 bucks for this big old roll of it, and you peel off the back and stick on however much you want onto your fabric, which the stabilizer, this stuff, is on the back of this hoop, on the back of the fabric. So I've now installed the fabric into the hoop, and the stabilizer is on the back, and my regular fabric where I'm going to be stitching is on the front. The embroidery piece, tray, I guess you call it, and it's going to index here up on the computer screen, and it's telling me that the embroidery tray will move when I push OK, which it does. Okay, now I'm going to put in the hoop, which is this thing, and this is going to clip in to these little clasps here. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. So shove that under there. Pull that over here. And then I can focus this thing. Okay. It sits in these little spots and snaps in like this. Now it's in, the hoop's ready to go. I have the black thread loaded. I need to now change out and put on the embroidery foot, which I'm going to do now. It takes some screws and stuff, so I'll be right back. And I also have installed white embroidery floss in okay, so this bobbin. Design calls for 5 colors. I have black loaded already. It asks for this strange combination of like blues. So I'm checking the color. It's going to tell me what each component's going to be made of. Black, electric blue, cornflower blue, teal green, and fresh green, which to me just seems really weird and ugly. So I'm picking my own colors. It's going to be this, and it may not look like it's supposed to look, but I like it that way. And so what's going to happen is I'm going to now tell it to go ahead and start printing component 1 by putting the thing down. I haven't picked a size or anything, which I probably should. Here's the layout screen, which allows me to adjust the size of the object and the placement of the object within the 4-inch hoop. So I'm going to put it down towards the bottom because I want to save some space for some more stuff, so you can see it moving that down to the bottom, even on the screen. And then I'm going to move it over a little bit so that it'll be more towards the corner. And now I'm going to check to see what size it just naturally wants to print that. It's going to give me kind of an idea here by doing this check. It's going to check the hoop size. So this is the print size that that piece is going to take on the fabric. Probably not all that, but it'll be within that area. Okay, so now I'm going to tell it that's fine with size and whatnot. I've got my presser foot down. This is green to go, and now we'll start. Doing the black components. Notice I have my black thread up there. Looks like it's probably getting to the point where yeah, it's now trimmed the thread, and it wants me now to change to the next color. So I'm going to move the black thread, sorry it's not in focus, and installed the green thread, and I'm now going to continue, my presser foot's down, with the design. We've done black, now I'm doing this green color that I've selected. Who knows what it'll do. Hopefully it'll make the pattern, looking Okay, it looks like it's going to probably be asking me to put in another color here. Yep, I'll change that bobbin and be right back. Now I've switched my bobbin and I'm going to go ahead and, spool of thread and start the pattern again. So let's see how it goes. Looks like it's getting ready to ask me to change the fabric, or change the thread. Okay, and I'm gonna do that and be right back. Okay, so I'm now changed to my 4th color of thread, and I'm gonna hit go. And it's gonna do that. Notice it kind of like revs up. Again, I've picked thread colors that were not what it necessarily asked for, so it'll make the design probably look kind of silly, but I like it when they're kind of wacky and psychedelic looking. And it gives me a size right on the screen of what it's going to print, so it's going to be 3.3 centimeters tall by 3.6 centimeters across, something like that. And of course it's in centimeters, so we can't figure it out as Americans. Okay, looks like it's probably going to ask me to switch. I'll switch that and I'll be right back. Okay, I've now loaded my last spool of thread, and we're going to go ahead and press play here, or put go. And now it should be telling me that we're finished. So now I can trim the thread and take it out of the machine. I think it already trimmed the thread. Yes, it did. And so then I come over here, push this little button here, and it will allow it to pop out. Pull it out of the machine. I have to lift the presser foot probably. And of course there's some little connecting threads that need to be trimmed. Let me pull back on this. And that there is our design, which is a little top hat, cane, and it's supposed to be like a little scarf, I think. So yeah, and I'll take a picture of it so you can see it, and I'll put this together, and that's that. Thanks for watching my video, everybody, and happy embroidering.